Hi guys, I've just got back from the Trafford Centre. I got the Lego Megalodon, it's number 42134. Let's get it built. For that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's build.
So Logs, where are we today?
We're at Trafford Centre.
Okay, and what are we being hydrated by today?
Some raspberry lemonade.
Oh, that sounds good.
It's made by Spanish lemons.
Nice. So today we've got a challenge for you.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to go in a shop and you've got to find your next Lego build.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cool. Any ideas what you might want to go for?
Maybe a Minecraft one?
Minecraft? You've got lots of Minecraft ones, haven't you?
But Minecraft is my favourite.
Okay, we could find another car.
I don't know, so...
So what are we looking for then, mate?
One of these, but I don't know which one.
What are you doing, mate?
So I'm just making my own minifigure. It's really cool. This monster truck. I've just got back from the Trafford Centre. I got the Lego Megalodon, it's number 42134. Let's get it built. I'm just gonna unbox it. That was easy. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. It has 4 bags. 260 pieces. 90 pages and 87 instructions. Look at them stickers! Let's get it built. That's it, the build's done. It took me an hour and a half. My favourite part is the blue fins. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.